This is a 5-minute update for February 25th, 2009.
In a speech Tuesday night, President Obama pledged to work on a solution to the increased cost of health care. He believes that despite our economic woes, we cannot afford to put health care reform on hold. The President reminded the Congress and Americans that medical emergencies cause a bankruptcy every 30 seconds. By the end of the year, it could cause 1.5 million Americans to lose their homes, President Obama said. The President was short on specifics, but the goal is universal health coverage for the estimated 45.7 million Americans who are uninsured. During his campaign, he also pledged to do something about the high cost. According to a report released by the Institute of Medicine on Tuesday, the cost of the average family more than doubled since 1999 from $1,543 to $3,354 for medical expenses. In economic news, Wall Street investors loved what Federal Reserve Chairman Bernanke said on Tuesday. Shares on the New York Stock Exchange soared as financial leads the way. Besides telling Congress that the recession could end by the end of this year, he said regulators were not planning on nationalizing the banks. Wells Fargo, Citigroup, and Bank of America shares were all up even before the Fed chairman began speaking. The shares in these large banks began to rise, but his remarks pushed them even higher. A North Korea rocket launch has been rumored. As part of a peaceful space program, North Korea may be planning to launch a satellite into orbit. According to South Korean newspapers, North Korea leader Kim Jong-il has been touring the province where the country has been preparing for a rocket launch. This is usually an indication that a launch is imminent. Although there is no sign of a missile yet, the United States is continuing to monitor the Musudan launch site where they tested their longest-range Tadapong-2 missile in 2006. In health news, alcohol raises the risk of cancer. It appears that alcohol may raise the risk of cancer in women. Just one drink a day, whether it's wine, beer, or other alcoholic beverage, increases the risk of cancer. The study, which involved nearly 1.3 million middle-aged British women, shines a new light on alcohol consumption. About 13% of the cancers of the breast, liver, rectum, and upper respiratory gastrointestinal systems may be related to alcohol use. Over the past couple decades, studies in the United States suggested that one drink a day reduces the mortality risk due to heart disease in some populations. But health officials worry that the positive spin on drinking may send the wrong message. This new research suggests that one drink a day may be too much. In Internet news, Google may participate in a European Union Microsoft lawsuit in tech news. Google has asked the European Compensation Commission to let the company participate in an antitrust investigation against Microsoft. Other browser makers, including Opera and Mozilla, have accused Microsoft of unfair competition. Microsoft bundles Internet Explorer with their operating systems. Last year, Google introduced a competing browser called Chrome, and now feels they have something to contribute to the investigation. Industry watchers say that Microsoft may be forced to either bundle other browsers with Windows or remove their own. Microsoft says that OEM computer manufacturers have that option already. Net Applications Incorporated, a web evaluation company, says that Microsoft Internet Explorer is used by 67.6% of all surfers, while Firefox is used by 21.5%, Apple's Safari is used by 8.3%, and Google's Chrome is used by only 1.1%. This has been a 5-minute update. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.